If you can't find reliable cleaners, your business won't grow, period. It doesn't matter how polished your website is, how many leads you generate, or how amazing your marketing looks. Without a dependable team, you'll stay stuck doing everything yourself until you burn out. And I say this from experience. I've been there. Hey, cleaning family, I'm Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. I have helped thousands of people go from overwhelmed solo cleaners to confident business owners with real systems, real teams, and real freedom. Today, I'm going to walk you through how I hire cleaners for my own cleaning business, whether I'm staffing residential, commercial, or specialty one-time jobs like post-construction cleans or window cleaning. We're going to cover where to find independent subcontractors, how to screen and interview them, red flags to avoid, how to legally protect yourself, and most importantly, how to retain great cleaners so you're not constantly starting over. I've also created a paid hiring starter kit with job post templates, interview questions, and my onboarding process because I want to make this as easy as possible for you. So be sure to check that out, link in bio. Now let's go ahead and dive in. Where I find my cleaners. One of the most effective ways that I find reliable cleaners is through local Facebook groups. Neighborhood groups, mom groups, and local community job boards are full of people looking for flexible work opportunities. I post clear job ads that specify we're hiring independent contractors, not employees, must have at least 1 year of paid cleaning experience, must be actively cleaning, must have reliable transportation, must be comfortable working independently, and that the pay varies from job. Clear service areas and days needed. For example, we need morning availability in Bergen County. In addition to Facebook, I use Google searches to find smaller local job boards, gig worker platforms, or community websites. The key is consistency. You have to regularly put your business in front of people to build a steady pipeline. We also do a manual search on Google. So we will go in and put cleaning companies in the areas that we are actually looking to staff. For example, cleaning businesses in Rahway, New Jersey. We would then gather that data and move it over to a spreadsheet, and then we would call, text, and email the cleaning companies that we are looking to actually partner up with. It's almost like cold calling for clients, but you're doing this to contact other cleaning companies. And this has been very, very effective in our business. The interviewing process. The interview isn't just about whether someone knows how to clean, it's about whether they align with your business values, professionalism, and expectations. I always ask, how many hours per week are you looking to fill your schedule with? Are you currently working with any other platforms or companies? What types of cleanings do you guys do or feel most confident doing? Are you guys familiar with commercial cleaning? Are you comfortable with cleaning homes? What areas are you willing to travel to? And the most important question, if a client offered to book you directly, how would you handle that? If they hesitate or indicate that they take the client privately, I move on immediately. Integrity is a non-negotiable. Why I hire subcontractors versus W-2 employees. This is where a lot of business owners get stuck. So let's break it down. The benefit of hiring subcontractors for me is flexibility. You only pay for the work that's completed. There's no financial obligation for slow seasons, sick days, or downtime. Lower overhead. You avoid the costs associated with payroll, taxes, health insurance, workman's comp, and other employee benefits. Independence. Subcontractors bring their own tools, manage their own schedules, and handle their own taxes. Scalability. You can grow faster and take on more work without the legal and financial weight of building a full W-2 employee workforce. And legal protection. With the right agreements in place, you can protect your business from issues like theft of clients, liability, or miscommunication. That said, just because someone is a 1099 subcontractor doesn't mean that you should skip systems. If anything, you need more structure to protect your business and your reputation. My legal and professional hiring process. Here's what I always include when bringing on subcontractors. We have them sign a subcontractor agreement that is mandatory, and it outlines the nature of the relationship. They're an independent contractor, not an employee, that they supply their own tools and set their own schedule, pay structure, scope of work, communication guidelines, and non-solicitation clauses. Grounds for termination: a W-9 form legally required by the IRS for any subcontractor you pay over $600 in a calendar year. This protects you from tax issues. And the onboarding checklist includes communication methods, whether that's Slack or WhatsApp, how jobs are assigned, payment schedule and method, emergency protocols, client communication boundaries, quality standard, and codes of conduct. Okay, cleaning checklists for each service type, and any optional free training materials. Also, basic conduct expectations: no smoking on site, no loud music, respect for clients' homes. Insurance considerations: your business should carry general liability insurance. Either require subcontractors to carry their own insurance or ensure that they are covered under your policy. Let clients know your business is fully insured. This will build trust and credibility. Ongoing recruitment strategy. One of the biggest mistakes new owners make is only hiring when they're in a desperate mode. You should always be in recruitment mode, even if your schedule is full and your team looks stable. People move, they quit, change careers, or simply disappear. By keeping a warm pipeline, about 3 to 5 backup subcontractors in each area, you protect your business from last minute emergencies and staffing gaps. If you're trying to grow your cleaning business, but you're hiring without contracts, systems, or structure, you're risking burnout, legal trouble, and unhappy clients. The subcontractor model, when done legally and professionally, gives you flexibility, protection, and the ability to scale without the overwhelm. If this helped you, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tips. And if you need help creating your hiring systems, contracts, or want a one-on-one mentorship, I'm here to support you every step of the way. I'm Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor, and we will see you in the next YouTube video.